All right, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to the daily recap video here. Just going to kind of go over a couple of the trades here and cover how today's trading went. If you guys watched the stream today, you know that had kind of a rough start to the stream. Got kind of some of the video playing here. Took an entry here, long. A little frustrating because my stop really should have went to the bottom of this candle. I have a 10 handle stop automatically in there, and I didn't adjust it. And you can see target was 81 and went right to my target after it stopped me out. So if it had moved my stop to where it needed to be, then we would have at least gotten filled on this long here. Seems like I lost every trade that I took on the Apex account today, which is the one on the left. I ended the day on that account around $1,000. I was up about $1,000 coming into the day on that account. This is another loss that I took here, where the trade was, we were in the green there for a moment, and then ended up taking a loser there. Started out the day trying to trade micros on it, and really didn't do a great job at managing it. Excuse me. So took that loss there. Then we attempted another long here, and let's see what happens. I think I ended up, definitely get stopped out on this one for another loss. I was taking these entries kind of late. I mean, like, look, this one here, I took this winner. It's like a 5-point winner, and then I decided to re-enter on a pullback. Probably not the best idea there. So as I'm kind of reviewing these trades that I took today on Apex, not 100% happy with them. But this one here I held for quite a while, and then I remember I was in the green a couple $100. I didn't take profit. As you can see, we got long here. We're long from 79. It moves up to 90. So we're in the green a couple $100. I did not take profit. Then it pulls back into the red, and I add a contract on here somewhere in this area. And excuse me. And I say, while I'm in the trade, I say, if this trade fails, we're going to just walk away from the Apex account today. We had more room in drawdown here, but I didn't want to risk anymore. So we're down 1,060 right there on the Apex account. So I decided at this point, done with the Apex account for the day. Not going to trade it anymore, and I only traded the Top Step account, and actually did incredibly well on the Top Step account. I don't believe I even took a single loser after I switched over to the Top Step account. I think that every trade was a winner. So doesn't mean that they were all good trades, but they were all winners. So some small, some big. And then kind of made a mistake here at the end of the day, the end of the stream here. I'll show you guys. So at this point, I'm up $960. We've been waiting all day for the market to break through that 800 level. It finally broke through there strong, and I completely forget about the 30% rule on Top Step, where you can't have any more than 30% in a single day. And right here, I'm showing you my entry on the Bullinox account. Got long at 84, sold at 34, made 4,300 on the Bullinox account there. But I completely forget about the Top Step rule where you can't make more than 30%. Or I was just I thought that I had 2 other days. The last 2 trading days would kind of average into that. I didn't realize it's the total for your best day. So I took another little $100 scalp there at the top. So now I'm up 1071 here, as you can see. And that's really where I finished the day at there on that account, up 1071. And got kind of a rude awakening here when I opened my Top Step. So you can see here, best day, $1,071. We were in drawdown at the start of the day. We were at 49,800. So we were $200 in drawdown. So my thought process was that I could make $1,200 today and it'd be fine. I really didn't even think about it, to be honest. But now it shows I need to make an additional $571 because I'm above the 30%. So that it's kind of a bummer, but it's not the end of the world. So we ended up 1,071 here on Top Step, down 1,060 on Apex. So pretty much a break-even day. You know, I'll take it. One thing I am happy about is that I took and walked away. I've never done this before. This is something new. I took my Apex account and just completely moved it off the screen and said I'm not trading it anymore. That's not something I normally do. And so I was kind of proud of myself for kind of showing some restraint there. Normally I probably would have just continued to trade that account and maybe even blew it up, but I didn't let the fact that I was down $1,000 on that account affect the rest of my day trading. I took that as kind of a reset moment and started on the Top Step account fresh and did pretty well on that account. So yeah, I'm proud of myself for doing that. Only moved my stop. I did move it today probably 3 or 4 times when I shouldn't have. You know, moved it kind of early, so that is kind of one of the things we're working on there. I do finally got the Bullinox account set up on NinjaTrader, so we'll be trading those tomorrow, probably on stream. And of course, the Apex account is pretty much back to even. We were up about $1,100 on that coming into today, and we lost 1,000. So basically back to even on that account, but that's okay. You can see we're currently at almost 51,000 on Top Step. We're gonna have to trade 3 more days, and we'll kind of take the $900 and divide this into 3 and add it to it, and that should get us to the 30% mark by the end of the day there. That's approximately, I guess, 1050, somewhere in there. I don't know. Is that right? 918.27. No, I guess we can just make 900 a day. We'll stick to the 900. I could be wrong about that. So I was wrong today for sure. One of you guys commented in the live stream. I think it was Sergio. He said that I needed to lose some money. And turns out you were right, Sergio. You were certainly right. But we know now, so we'll know next time. But I will be live. I do stream. I do stream 5 days a week. We stream the London session 3 a.m. Eastern, and the New York session 9:30 a.m. Eastern. So if you guys are interested in the content, you could join me for those live streams. If you are interested in trading futures, we do have a coupon code in the banner there for 80% off Apex, and the link will be in the description for Apex there. If you haven't already, like the video, subscribed if you're not yet subscribed, and we will see you next time.